During the past year, COVID-19 has triggered innovation across the world as the pandemic has affected our day-to-day lives and influenced the way consumers behave. These are challenging times for many business owners who have to take new regulations regarding permitted people capacity and social distancing into account. The ASSA ABLOY Flow Control is an automatic counting solution that supports social distancing by limiting the number of people in shops and buildings. The sensor counts the number of people entering and leaving the building, while displaying the current occupancy in real time. When the limit is reached, the LED strip switches from green to red and the automatic door is put in exit-only mode.
Please wait here.
The door is locked from the outside and a voice message lets you know that you can't enter.
Please enter.
When a person exits the premises, the traffic light switches from red to green and the person can enter. With this product, there is an automatic limitation of the number of people that can enter a building, making sure the business owners comply with local regulations and that customers and employees feel safe. There is no need to hire extra security guards, leaving business owners with a peace of mind to focus on their business.